Hey everyone, I'm Sherry with Mature Beauty Studio, and I am coming on here today just a little bit lopsided looking. As you can see, I have this eyebrow all done and this eyebrow not done. I wanted to show you this so you can see a quick and easy demonstration of how I do my eyebrows every day. Now with mature eyebrows, they tend to get a little sparse, they don't have good shape, and I found that just taking that few minutes to do your eyebrows gives you pretty much an instant eye lift. So let's get started. First brush I like to use is this little line brush. It has a spoolie end and then it has this beautiful angled end, and that's what I use for putting my contour on my eyebrows. And yes, I said contour, the same product that I use on my face that's in my Saint Compact. So I simply dip that angled brush into the contour, and this is going to define the outline. So I am going to just kind of do the outline of where my eyebrow should be. It's not really there anymore. I go under, and then I also do the top of where that shape should be. Again, super easy with this angle brush. The key is having the right tools. I never had the right tools before, and it made the job so much harder. So I'm going to take just little strokes with this angle brush and do a little bit of fill in. I don't have to be perfect because I'm going to come back with an eyeshadow color and do that final fill in. So again, just kind of defining the shape like that. And then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow brush. And I like this small domed end of the brush. It's perfect for the eyeshadow I'm going to use. So in this compact, I have my contour color and then I have my eyeshadow color. And I'd be glad to color match your eyeshadow colors just like I do your highlight colors. So I'm going to take that domed end and just very lightly dip it into my eyeshadow color. And this is going to be our fill. So that way we're going to get a nice full brow. And then I'm going to go back to that brush with the spoolie, and I'm simply going to brush them out. And that's it. A quick and easy eyebrow look that just brought my eyes back to life and gave me an instant eye lift. If you have any questions about the products or would like a color match, please reach out to me at any time. Thanks again.